Good day, good beauty, good love, good light, guardians of Gaia, Earth's angels, way showers, illuminators. Thank you once again for being with me, joining me. My name is Wendy, and I bring to you the infinite languages of lights to remind us all absolutely everything in creation speaks a magnificent language of the light, and the plant kingdom, first and foremost, speaks and sings the most beautiful songs. And these gorgeous hibiscus, these tropical hibiscus, I was so guided to share with you. I'm here located in South Florida, in the southeast, southernmost part of the state, in the Fort Lauderdale, Miami area, and enjoying the new songs and the symphonies of all of these beautiful tropical plants. And I absolutely admire these beautiful hibiscus for the way that they truly transcend me. And along with the sounds of the chimes and the ocean breezes, the tropical breezes, the sound of the fountain running, really it just reminds us that everything is singing these beautiful songs. And I love these. Most of the time I only get maybe one or two of these blooms a day. And if you've watched a few of my videos, I've done some videos of my cactus, which I don't have anymore here in Florida, but it was many of the videos I called it Cactus Prime, and it only bloomed once a year, typically once a year, maybe twice, and usually only got one bloom. Sometimes I got up to 5, but it was only once a year. And these beautiful hibiscus, every morning almost a new one pops up, and then it folds up for the night. And usually depending on how much rain we've had, and I'm blessed again with a beautiful new bloom every day. And so as I've been exploring these wonderful colors, and the magentas and the yellows and the pinks and the purples and the greens, all of these are a reminder from all that is, that really light is a language of source, and everything that you're hearing from the plant kingdom are signs, messages, source speaking to you, enlivening the chakras. We understand our chakra systems. And from the very beginning of my channel, it was about speaking to nature and listening to nature and receiving the light codes, the coded information through the sunlight, the starlight, the moonlight, but the codes of information specifically from the tree kingdom, the plant kingdom, the ambassadors, the true ambassadors of this planet. And how when we spend time with these frequencies, we literally understand our multidimensionality, cycles, belief systems, how our system, our chakra system works, how sound heals, how the sound of the plants heal us in the sense that they raise our vibration as far as we can in that moment. And as we integrate that and expand with that, we then allow more and more multidimensional higher frequencies of information to literally permeate our lives. And the synchronicities that snowball really is the word that comes. And the following of our highest joy, even just taking these few moments to bring these colors to you, the enlivenment of it. Literally the eyes looking back at us from the plants, speaking to us, singing to us, calling to us for nutrients, for water when they need it. Showing us to take these moments. How many times have we heard, stop and smell the roses? And as I've been enveloping myself in, immersing myself really in these colors, it alivens my spirit. It promotes the release of the limiting belief systems that may be associated with these particular colors of the chakra systems, allowing us for them to become more aware of these things in our lives. Often we experience what we consider less than pleasant or negative circumstances in our lives, and yet it is through that we catapult. And these colors, these when we take the time to observe nature and the entire kingdoms of nature, we begin to understand more fully how, when these beliefs bubble themselves up to the surface, that it's the end of it, not the beginning. It's the end of that process for that belief. And oftentimes we feel in reverence, in awe of nature, to the point of weeping as we release this. And the plants, how they dance with us, how they, in their own consciousness, which is a much higher consciousness than ours actually, from their perspective, when we are releasing these and with their assistance, it is this beautiful cyclical figure eight pattern of sending and receiving love and joy. And how then, as we release the belief systems and come to new understandings, epiphanies, as a result of of even just these few moments, which the message may not even come at that moment. It may come minutes, hours, days, months later. They become more expanded, their consciousness, because it's aware of these developments, explorations, and realizations. It's part of our ascension process that they have lovingly agreed to participate with us. And we truly begin to see and hear their voices, see who we are, hear our own voices more clearly, purely, allowing what no longer serves to simply fall away, just as these beautiful, beautiful flowers do day by day. They fall away. And in gratitude, I thank them for what they brought to me today, what they offered to me, how I've expanded because of them, how they've expanded because of me, and my awareness of them, my love for them, my gratitude for each and every tiny little crack and crevice and bump. Look at that beautiful face speaking to you, to us. A whole another world. Universes within universes within universes speaking right now. There are many, many alien races that look much like these flowers. It helps us prepare to understand that not all beings are as we believe them to be. They may look just like that. And imagine how foreign and alien you would look to them. So we thank you once again as we, along with the channel, understanding, bringing to you this understanding. You are an emissary of light, as we are the emissaries of light. The ambassadors of light, showing the way to others, how they can expand through light and sound and color. Taking these moments to appreciate the value of these messages. What do you feel? What do you hear? What do you taste? What do you smell? Nezivechaya shanikilava sonopai kiata. Iseva shanotua. For when you focus your awareness on the beauty of these messages to you, for you, through you, by you, you expand all that is, that it experiences itself more and more through you, as do all the collectives involved. And through the light, we share this information to and through all that is, for every observation you make. You share with all that is. What are you observing? What are you focusing on? Release your resistance to your own path of least resistance. Niseva shonitela sevashoa kola halopate kishimeselo. I release my resistance to my path of least resistance. And allow these light forms to bring forth more and more of all that you are. And see that there can never be a separation, that you are so powerful, you create. You create the experience. Everything you think is based upon what you believe and what you once believed about so many things. You change your belief, you change the action, you change your life, you change your reality. Nivesamura kivaha sivesono malaresheto kolakaya. Inesheto pakirasho. And we are honored by the privilege of these sharings with you, as we discover more and more of all that we are through your eyes, through your reflection, through your love. Nature reminds you of your natural vibration, that you are every color of source, every color of light, that you are being, a beaming being of multidimensional light, experiencing itself multidimensionally, simultaneously, Nabele hava kusavishine tia Milavakolaku. Allow these light codes to illuminate your path, to illuminate the true you, enliven your colors, expand your awareness of all that you're capable of communicating with, the beings that you can't even begin to imagine. Are speaking with you, ready and open to share your reality. Thank you, beautiful little bee, for sharing this moment with us. Nalivatova shana kapotova kaiseata mesheve heva kasorako meseve sheno tavakio my verushoto meseta kiana meseve sheno palehama kapoteke kavina savelite shomo shuku kolesh fashanasea Namo Vetevakaniana. Allow the moment to be the moment without any expectation of the magic it can bring. For in that one moment, the realization of a lifetime can occur. An idea, a synchronicity, an epiphany, all await you in this now, in the now. Follow the synchronicities, follow the instincts in the now, to do the now the way you want to be in the now, without any insistence or expectation of where it will take you, why you're being guided. Allow the physical mind to receive the information through the higher mind. By ways of inspiration, instinct, a simple, oh, I think I'll walk that direction today. I think I'll watch that video today. I think I'll take a little walk today. Maybe I'll just sit and breathe for a few minutes today. Sit with the tree today. Sit with a flower today. With your hand over your heart, simply ask, what is my highest joy? What is it that I really need to feel? Everything I want to feel. What belief systems make me feel anything less than the way I want to feel? Show me. Once you see it, it's gone. Allow that beautiful belief, that beautiful experience of that belief to fold up and say goodnight. Thank it for what it brought you. Alivihalo kupa sanoshete kivaso motovihalo mesaveshono tavilahama lavako saveshono sete kimote vasha. Siva Sunubake. Iva Shunotovakileano Malasoto. Ishinativa Sotuvoluna. Unto Eshe Sekiava. Suva Shunosekilako. Vazinative Shunosevishlua. Timurtu Kalihashu Kavisinunu Melavasorato Goa. Plianu Meshe Teaka. Tibashuni Sitiya Kaboshuna Sevishu Kuburu. Enutule Heva Sununa Meata Kusotova. Nibashunoliana Tivaluro. Neteke Ishe no Masalushu. Nike Sevisuna Melaharo. Mutavashu Rama. When you truly begin to explore and understand your connection with nature, that you are nature, that it is you and you are it. Very, very unique co-creation. Yeshoto. Shino Sivete. And as these palms grow and grow, they too shed their palms, their fronds, to make way for the new. Pushing ever upward, 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 and outward. And the old ones fall as the new ones take their place. A beautiful, beautiful cycle. Yet, nature is not sad for the fallen leaves. Those that have served, they have served well in their purpose. They served in their now. Spring, fall, summer, winter, each absolutely perfect in their own timing, their own cycles. Yet each and everything you have created within your consciousness to share this exciting experience. Navi sesho to vela kiano. Nuvala hela ko sevishnusea. And we thank you for this privilege once again of inviting us into your experience, your joys, your expansions. For all expansion, all tears, all challenges, are all perfect in their perfect timing, in their perfect way, in their perfect expression in that now. Allow them to fall away with your love and appreciation. That they have joined you in your expansion and growth. And it's perfect timing, it's perfect way, and the perfect now just for you. Allow your imagination to receive the images, the visions, the feelings from your higher mind through your heart, expressed by way of excitement and joy, showing you further and further every moment what to explore, that you may experience more and more of all that you are in every now, in every way. For each and every experience is an equal experience to the next. Nebu Savesha no Dobalihama Kiva Soto Neshete Kisevashuno Seva Lahama Kadumba Besavashuno Livala Savashuna Kivato Pakete Vesopotore Veshanahala Neselako. Thank you, beautiful palm, for serving. As you become one again, as you were one and are one and always have been and will be one with all that is. For there is no other way. For that is Nesavashono Palayata Kavoso Mesavashuna Vihala Savoshe Tivihiana Malavakoa. Yet everything is different, yet it is all connected. Each and everything in creation is breathing, living in the ethers of all that is. For that is Narokwala. Yeah, question is Thank you. Thank you for the gift of your presence. And we too will be unwrapping this gift forevermore because of you, because of your observation of this now with us. And we thank you. Nashalikose Shanatea.